How to use the ferti-calculator. The first thing you should do is open the application and select the kind of crop. Enter the number of liter nutrient solution to be prepared. Then select the phase or week in which the plants are. Measure the initial irrigation water electrical conductivity and select the value on the cursor. Once you have entered this data, the calculator will indicate the fertilize doses you should add. In this example are added 445 ml of Universal A, 312 ml of Universal B, and 422 ml of ActiBlom C. Once the fertilize is added, the nutrient solution electrical conductivity will reach the value indicated. Finally, keep the nutrient solution pH stable at the values between 5.5 and 6.5. Preferably use phosphoric acid to regulate the pH.